Hi there and welcome to Trigonometry. Today we're going to solve some problems from our college algebra course on basic functions and their graphs. The first problem is to determine whether the point 3, -2 and the point -4, 2 are on the graph of the equation x squared plus y squared equals 20. We need to find out if these 2 points lie on the graph of this equation, which means that we need to plug in each of these points as an x and a y into this equation and see if it yields a true result. Doing the first one, we'll plug 3 in for x and -2 in for y, which will yield 3 squared plus -2 squared. And we want to know, is that equal to 20? Well, 3 squared is 9, -2 squared is 4, and 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is not equal to 20, and so this produces a false statement. Because plugging 3, -2 into this equation yields a false statement, it means that this point is not on the graph of this equation. So let's check the other point. Here we're going to plug -4 in for x and 2 in for y, which yields -4 squared plus 2 squared, and we want to know, is that equal to 20? -4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4, 16 plus 4 is 20, and so this yields an equation that says that 20 is equal to 20. That's a true statement. So because plugging this point into this equation yielded a true statement, it means that this point is on the graph of that equation. And that's how you determine if a point is on the graph of an equation or not. And that's it for our tutorial on how to do a few problems of this type where we talk about functions and their graphs. We'll see you next time on Trigonometry.